Yashasvi Jaiswal, Mr. Fernando, they had an altercation, an animated send-off, and after that, Yashasvi Jaiswal coming very close, the grill making contact with the player, and there was more physical contact visible to the naked eye and to replay screen, and it was clearly not on. It was clearly not on. It was a very chirpy day here at the SSC in Colombo. Day 1, India versus Sri Lanka, and Sri Lanka came out with a lot of hostility. Why I say that? Because we haven't seen them talking as much as they did on the opening day. And it all started with the guy who started it in goal. Yashasvi Jaiswal, Mr. Fernando, they had an altercation, an animated send-off, and after that, Yashasvi Jaiswal coming very close, the grill making contact with the player, and there was more physical contact visible to the naked eye and to replay screen, and it was clearly not on. It was clearly not on, and this is my quick take on that episode, which could have been avoided. For Yashasvi Jaiswal, first things first, if you give it, you should know how to take it. I'm not defending the bowler here or kind of criticizing Jaiswal for doing what he did, but the point is, it happens. But you cannot cross the line on a cricket field. Words will be said, tempers will go high, heat of the moment, you can lose control. But as a professional cricketer, this is where you focus on the job at hand. I think it was a very edgy period with the bat for Yashasvi Jaiswal. He was getting those boundaries, he was getting those runs going, but still was far from being the settled Yashasvi Jaiswal we have consistently seen in this format. So maybe that was playing up on his mind, but he could have handled it better. I don't know what the bowler said, and so didn't Sitanshu Kotak. He came for the press conference, but उन्होंने भी कहा कि इतना पास नहीं जाना चाहिए था. So I hope a message is sent to Jaiswal and he does good next time, because we like banter, we like altercations, and that episode involving Dick Vela and Yashasvi Jaiswal was very, very good. It was in good spirit. So this is the kind of banter we all watch, we all enjoy watching, not what we saw today, because there's no space for physical contact in cricket. It remains a gentleman's game for a reason. Otherwise it could have been MMA, UFC, boxing, and you name it, football. So यहाँ पर जगह नहीं है, so it should be left out of the ground. Otherwise, a very good and very hard-fought day of Test cricket, I would say. India getting those runs, but also losing wickets. Rishabh Pant injury update is going to be keenly tracked, because he did not come out to bat after retiring hurt on taking a blow to his wrist. So it will be interesting to see when Rishabh Pant comes out to bat and what he does with the bat, because India would want a lot of runs. These are very good conditions to bat. Day 1, you made most with the runs, lost probably a couple of more wickets considering the starts. Yashasvi Jaiswal got, Shubman Gill got, Devdutt Padikkal with another 100. So India would have liked that scoreline to be probably 3 down, but it's fine. You have to manage what it is now. There's still a lot of batting to come, and we would hope for some meaningful contributions from Dhruv Jurel, Saransh Jain, Manav Sutar, and hopefully Rishabh Pant when he comes out to bat again for India. So yes, exciting few days of Test cricket ahead of us. But for now, it was all about Yashasvi Jaiswal, the send-off, the fiery send-off, and all eyes will be on the match referee's room now, what he decides and how many demerit points are slapped on which player and what kind of fines are coming their way. You keep watching TVR Sports, like, share and subscribe, hit the bell icon to stay notified.